Reason's mixer might look a little bit daunting, but actually it's not as complicated as it looks. It's just big, and for each channel you have essentially the same set of controls. It's just that when they're all together like this, they tend to look a little bit daunting, but they really aren't. Let's have a quick run through each of the sections on a channel strip. I'm going to pick this channel here and solo it up. Obviously, there's a fader and a level meter for setting and monitoring the volume. If you click on the sequencer or rack buttons, you'll leap straight to this device in the sequencer or in the rack, and that saves you zooming around too much. Mute and solo, of course. Panning. And also a stereo width control. You get up to 8 insert effects. Sorry, send effects. These are send effects. And you see, even when you know it, you can get confused by this mixer because it does look. You do get used to it, but it's sometimes you just have to kind of try and remember where you're up to with it. So here we've got some send effects loaded and a couple of different slots. So you're able to send any of those channels in the mixer through any of your send effects. So here's through some reverb. Different reverb. And some more delay. And those send effects are the same for every channel. So you could send, some of this channel through a bit of reverb, some of this one through a bit of reverb, and all going through the same send effects. You don't have to use send effects, by the way. You can if you want. This next section here lets you edit the inserts. And if I clicked on that, it would lead me to my to my rack module. And there don't happen to be any inserts attached to that, but if there were, you'd see them in there. You can also manage your effects insert presets from here. There's a quick control section here, which I will talk about a little bit in the next section.